Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find apps. They should be on the third position from the top. Now let's scroll down and enter Special App Access, and here we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.